It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create professional email without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create professional email all for free. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is to come to your browser, search result right here and type in Proton. So this is the website URL right here. So this website is what we are going to use to create free professional email. Okay, so here we have, so this is the site right here, so you can read all information about this particular website right here. All right, so how to create a professional email for free? What you need to do is to come to the top right here where you see create a free account right here. Create a free account. So at this point here, you need to enter your username right here and type in your detail. So I'm going to enter my detail right here. Then you have to come here. You can choose the option right here. Either you want your you want it to be at proton.me or you want it to be at protonmail.com. So you can choose any of the option right here. So for free version, you will not be allowed to use a custom domain. All right, so let's go ahead and create our password in the second column. All right. Then we move to the next paragraph and we enter the same password. Then we come down below right here and we make sure we click on create account. So right here, we need to do security verification. So what we need to do right here is to just drag this puzzle and we drag it right here and make sure it snaps to this shape right here. And we click next. So right here, we can leave the display name right here, just like this. And then we click on next. Then at this point here, we need to enter our phone number and a recovery email address. So I'm going to enter it straight up. Then we go to email address, recovery email address. So your Gmail address can be your recovery email address. And then click on save and select. So an email has been successfully created. So you can email receive, track, 5 tracker remove, etc. So you can just skip for now and then you go straight into your inbox. You can close the pop-up right here. Welcome to Proton email. Click on next. So from the setup right here, you can choose which of the theme you would like your email to have. This is a default by Proton. You can decide to switch from another one right here. You can choose the carbon. You can choose the carbon right here and click on next. Then click on get started. All right, so you'll be taken into your Proton email interface like this. So what are the things you can do right here? You can click here to read your mail. Then here you have draft, you have sent mail, the number of mail you sent. Click on more, folders, labels, and you can also come to the top right here to upgrade to Pro if you would like to upgrade to Pro. And your email ID is the one right here, which is at proton.me. So you can send mail from Gmail, from email, or from any professional web mail. You can send it to this particular account right here. And one more thing you can do here is that you can also integrate some of this information right here, such as Microsoft, such as privacy feature protected, and you can also do email forwarding to Gmail. You can also integrate your LinkedIn account, Amazon account, PayPal account, login address, and etc. You can decide to do that later, okay? And then you will be taken full to the Proton mail. So, and let's quickly create a new message. So you want to send mail to anybody, just click on new message right here. So by default, your mail is going to be active. Then next thing you want to do is to make sure you can see by default your mail is going to be active. Then you have to click on here and type the name of the recipient. And let's say I want to send to Gmail. Okay, then subject test. Then you can come here and type in your mail. So you can type in whatever mail you want to type in right here. And let me close this window. And you can also attach file, just like the way you attach file to some other mail. You can come to the top right here and format your type. You can change the font style. You can add a bulletin. You can add emoji to your mail. You can add links to your mail. You can erase. You can click on here to see more formatting, etc. You can send a multiple mail. You can add multiple person right here when you are sending mail to a lot of people. So each time they are receiving your mail, it's going to be indicate with this proton.me. So for you to send mail, you just have to click on here. You can also click on these options right here, which allow you to schedule your mail. So you can schedule the mail for tomorrow, schedule on Monday. You can create a custom schedule. And once you're satisfied with everything, what you need to do is to just click on send. So when you click on send, the mail is going to be sent to the actual address you use right here. So this is how you set up your professional email address, step-by-step tutorial. And don't forget, if you want to upgrade to their premium version, you need to, if you want to use your custom domain, it means that you need to upgrade to their pro version, so which allow you to use your personal brand domain. Okay, that is your name at yourdomain.com. If you want to get a free domain, I have a very good website where you can use to get a free domain, and the site is freenom.com. So you can get a free domain from this particular website. So when you get a free domain, you can integrate the free domain into this Proton email. So by then you can use the free domain you get from this particular website and use it in your Proton mail to create your custom professional email address. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can set up your professional email address step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to share this video to your loved one. And lastly but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.